Guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you what does a meditation or relaxation bowl do. So first of all, actually, the singing bowl is a metal bowl struck by a mallet, often used in religious and uh, spiritual settings to make invoke meditation or relaxation through the resounding vibration and pleasant sound it emanates when it's played. So let's go for it. Please watch this and enjoy. First of all, it has to be